My name is Brad Earl of Team Lead Dog Data, and this is my entry for the 2019 Tableau Virtual Hackathon. This PowerShell server download script uses the Tableau REST API and PowerShell to save the workbooks and data sources from multiple Tableau server sites according to the login user's permissions, and saves them to a hard drive location of their choice. With the advent of projects and subprojects, saving all of your workbooks into a similar directory and subdirectory structure takes a bunch of manual tasks. Additionally, the script downloads lists of users, groups, permissions, subscriptions, and revisions stored to XML files. Using PowerShell, the script runs without requiring any software to be installed on Windows PCs. Tableau Online doesn't permit querying what sites a person has access to, so login info for each site needs to be typed into the script. Challenges that this script handles include projects and workbooks having names and using characters that can't be used in folder or file names, saving a workbook or data source with a proper file name extension, that is, with or without the X suffix, creating a new element in the project's XML file that reflects the entire project-subproject path, and it saves a process timing list to a text file. Hope you enjoy it.